Hey everyone, welcome back. Your phone doesn't need your camera, it doesn't need your microphone, yet it can still detect nearby compatible devices in the background. On many Android phones, this Google setting is turned on by default. Give me 1 minute and I'll show you where to find it. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Google. Now open All Services. Go to Connected Devices and Sharing. Tap Devices. Look for an option with a name like Scan for nearby devices, Nearby device scanning, device connections, or connection level signals. The exact name depends on your Android version and your phone brand. If you don't use features like automatic device discovery or fast pair, you can turn this setting off. Why does this matter? When this feature is enabled, your phone scans for compatible nearby devices, so certain Google features can work more quickly and smoothly. If you rarely use those features, leaving it on may mean unnecessary background scanning that you don't really need. Turning it off won't stop all tracking or make your phone completely private, but it does reduce unnecessary background device scanning and gives you more control over how your phone interacts with nearby devices. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more privacy tips like this. Thanks for watching.